Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Have you ever read a concentrated product label and it's told you to use X amount of product per 100 square metres of lawn, but it hasn't told you how much water to mix it with? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to calibrate your sprayer and the process to undertake to answer this question so you can apply the product at the right dosage for your lawn. When applying any lawn care products, please ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment as stated on the product label and apply strictly as per all label instructions and rates as provided by the manufacturer. Firstly, you want to apply the right amount of product at the correct ratio recommended by the manufacturer so that it's not over or under applied. Doing so can result in the product not working as effectively as it should, or in some cases it can even cause more harm than good. There is also a wide range of different types of sprayers available to buy for spraying products on your lawn. Each of these sprayers have different capacities, nozzles and pressures that all affect how much product or water is used when spraying. So, calibrating your sprayer is essential in order to get the application rate right. Sprayer calibration is the process used to determine the output of your sprayer on a specific test area. This information is then used to determine the mixing rate that is required. In most cases, in order to calibrate your sprayer, you will need to find out how much water your sprayer takes to spray 100 square metres and add the label rate of the product to that quantity of water. The easiest way to find out how much water your sprayer takes to spray 100 square metres is to mark out and spray a 10 square metre hard surface like concrete with just water and then multiply the amount used by 10 in order to know how much will be used to cover 100 square metres. From this, you can determine that if it's going to take, say, 5 litres of water to cover 100 square metres, then that's the required amount of water you need to mix the product with. When you are calibrating your sprayer, make sure you walk at the same speed and apply exactly how you would when spraying the product, as this will all affect your calibration. It's also important to check your sprayer's nozzle regularly for any blockages and wear and tear to ensure your product continues to be sprayed evenly and at the correct rates. Over applying products can be a waste of money, so if you're ever unsure of the mixing rate or application, be sure to contact the product manufacturer before you apply. If you have any other questions relating to any of the products we supply, please feel free to get in touch with us here at Lawn Solutions Australia. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.